Hi everybody, I just want to come and do a quick live. I'm washing my hair again. This is my hair. I haven't washed my hair since August 23rd. So it's a little rough, but it has lasted. It has kept up. When I washed it last, I used Care and As I Am products. The video is on IGTV as well as YouTube if you want to check that out. But today here I have some new products too. And I have the Body Works Peppermint Tea Tree Shampoo, the Body Works Peppermint Tea Tree Conditioner, and the All Natural Hair Milk that's peppermint and tea tree as well. I did win all three products in a prize giveaway, so I don't know how much they cost. But you can check out Body Works to find out. So I'm going to just wash my hair. I'm not going nowhere till next week, so I'm going to keep it in twists. So I'm going to do 2 strand twists all over my head. And like I said, I'm going to wash it. I am going to use the Curadew today. So when I come back, I'm going to have my hair just freshly shampooed. And then I'm going to have the Curadew and show you guys how to do the Curadew with the conditioner in it. This conditioner, you're only supposed to leave it in for 3 minutes. So I'm going to Curadew each side for like 3 minutes and then wash it out. But just so you guys can see the difference of what the Curadew does with the hair. And then last but not least, I'll use the hair milk for the 2 strand twist. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be back. But bye for now. Alright, guys, I'm back. This is after 2 washes of the peppermint and tea tree body. Body Works natural shampoo, the peppermint tea tree. My scalp does feel tingly, and I do like it. If you don't like that tingly peppermint feeling, I suggest you not use this. I still had a little soot up there. So now what I'm going to do is take the conditioner and put it through my hair, and I have my Curadew. I'm going to show y'all. How my Curadew is plugged up, and I'm going to start steaming if the camera will turn around. So I'm gonna put y'all right there. This is the conditioner by Body Works, the peppermint and tea tree. And I'm using a nice, what you call that, dime size amount. You know, that natural dime size that we use. Putting it all through the hair. The shampoo is for your scalp, guys. The conditioner is for the rest of the hair. So I'm gonna be focusing this on the roots. I mean, not the roots, on the shaft of the hair. Making sure I get every single strand. And you see, my curls are already really defined. But wait till I put this Curadew on there. You're gonna be like, dang girl, your girl is popping. Yes, they gonna be popping. Okay. And I'm only gonna do one side because I am gonna make this an IGTV video when I link all the videos together. So bear with me. And
be sure not to burn yourself. Don't put this directly on the scalp either. That's what the directions say. You'll get a burn. It come out too fast. 2 more minutes left for me. And I use bottled water when I fill up my Curadew. Some people use tap water, but you're supposed to use filtered water. I was a victim. I used to use just the faucet water, but our faucet water is filtered 3 times before it comes in the house. So I was kind of still using filtered water. I just didn't know. Okay, 1 minute left. Okay, I think I'm done. So as you can see, my curls are like clumped up way better. Way better. They look way better. So now I'm just going to twist them down and do the other side. But I'm going to do the other side off camera. So see you guys later. Bye for now.
Okay, so I'm back. This is my hair after I washed out the conditioner with the Q Redo results. Hope y'all see that. Curls look amazing. So let's see what this hair mix does. I'm only gonna do one side and I'm only gonna do a few twists. I'm doing 2-strand twists. This hair mix is kind of thin, so I'm using just a little bit at first, but I might end up putting more so it can have some hold. It don't seem like it have any hold to me, but I'm not going anywhere till the later part of the week, so that's why I'm putting in 2-strand twists at the beginning of the week, so I can just rock the 2 strands, and then when I'm ready for my hair to look curly and fly, I'll just take them out. So I'm putting in three squirts. I think that's more than enough. My hair is extra curly now. And I usually start in the front, because that's where you want them to look the flattest and the cutest. You can leave the back for however. And I simply just grab 2 strands. I go down, make sure they're detangled. And then once I get about so far, I just take it and roll it and clump it. And clump like that. And that's it. So let's try another one. I'm gonna do 3 on camera. So same thing with this one. So 2 strands. Make sure you detangle, you're not catching any spare hairs in there. Hi Ken! Thanks for tuning in. I would wave at you, but my hands are super wet and I can't I can't touch my phone. So then you curl the ends, and then you clump it like that. Okay, so I'm gonna do one more, and then I have the rest of my hair to do. So when I'm in this live, Ken, you can call me so I have somebody to talk to while I do my hair. I answer for you. Okay, so here we go. Just 2 strands. I'm pulling through the strands to detangle and make sure I'm not catching any excess knots, any excess hairs. So pull it all the way through. And then when you get down so far, you wrap it around, and then you clump clumping to secure the curl. Okay, thank you, Ken, and thank you everybody else who watches on IGTV. If you want to see more videos, go to my YouTube channel, MRZNISHIA, same as the name on here, MRZNISHIA. I look forward to seeing you guys. Bye.